Okay, I absolutely love this adorable, dinky little Kate Spade. It's a Kate Spade Pippa in this kind of grey and stone snakeskin. It is absolutely, I mean, look at it. It's just the most adorable little bag. It's really, really soft, beautiful leather. It is just stunning. So little top handle. I'll come back and show you the size. The measurements are on the website as always. This is just to show you the perspective of the size. So I'm about the UK size 8'10". I'm about 5'4". Come back and hold it. You can see, okay, the size of the bag. This does come with the Kate Spade dust bag as well. Okay, so we've got the little top handle with the little detail there, Kate Spade New York, and of course the gold spade on the front, the gold stud. Show you the back and the base. 4 studs on the base, and then it's got the fabric lining which creates the fasten of the bag. So you literally, it's got 2 drawstrings, so you literally just pull and it's done up. It's a really good leather, nice drawstring. You know the ones where you pull and you have to like work out which one to pull and which one to hold. You just hold both sides, both strands, both sides, pull, jobs are good. And so it's a really good closure. And then inside, the fabric is part linen inside, and it's beige and cream, so you can see what's going on inside. There's one little flat pocket here. And we have got the spade stud just inside. Can you see that? On the pocket there. Okay. So, adorable little bag. Condition-wise, exterior excellent, interior excellent, hardware very, very, very good. There is nothing wrong with the hardware except that the base, I can just see that the bag hasn't been used. It's absolutely pristine, but somebody has just placed this down on the top. So I've called it very, very, very good because the condition of the studs is basically excellent, but you can see that it has belonged to somebody and they have placed it down on the surface. All of this hardware is absolutely excellent, pristine, no sign of any issues at all, or any signs of wear. It is literally just those base studs. So, beautiful, gorgeous, so soft and dreamy to use, little Kate Spade bag. There is a link to this on our website in my comments below. So go to comments below the video, hit the link, it will take you to this on our website, and on there you will find other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets. Whilst you're on the website, sign up to the newsletter. We will send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase, so it's really worth getting that discount code in. It's dead easy, take you about 15 seconds. Scroll to the bottom of any page on our website. As a box, stick your email address in there. We will immediately send you an email that you need to verify, and then we will immediately send you an email with a discount code on it. If you don't get those immediately, check your spam folder. It just means your security is too strong for us to break through. So your discount codes or your verification email will be in your spam folder. And the best way to avoid any future discount codes going into your spam, because you want them in your inbox, don't you? Add us to your address book, and then it will just come through straight away, dead easily. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe and set up your alerts. We have got Armcandy coming in every day. You don't want to miss out on your dream bag. So subscribe, set up your alerts. And if you're an Instagrammer, I've also put a link to our Instagram in the comments below. So if you're on Insta and you fancy that as a way of getting in touch with us, you can of course come and join us on Insta. Also, finally, if there is a bag you are looking for, then get in touch, let me know. I have a request list, so I can put you on that request list. If you go to the website, there is a contact us page, and you can just, you can get the email address, or just fill out that contact page, and then I can put you in my request list, and then as soon as your dream bag comes in, I can let you know, and you can be the first to view it.